We would like to wish good morning to all of you gathered here in this place, where our teacher, the compassionate Shakyamuni Buddha, who first roused bodhicitta and then gathered the accumulations of merit and wisdom over 3 uncountable eons, and finally awakened to complete and perfect Buddhahood in this place of Bodh Gaya. Good morning to all. His Holiness, the 17th Gyalwang Karmapa, Urgyen Trunle Dorje, the protector of all beings and the embodiment of the activity of all Buddhas of the 3 times, instructed the responsible parties from Rumtek, the directors of the Kagyu Munlam, to go to visit Chamgun Kenting Tai Sita Rinpoche and invite him to come to preside over this 38th Kagyu Munlam. Chamgun Guru Vajradhara accepted the invitation, and now he has come to this 38th Kagyu Munlam. Not only has he come, he has also just given us 2 days of profound teachings on Maitreya's aspiration, which has been a great good fortune for all of us. In addition to giving us the profound teachings, Guru Vajradhara Kenting Tai Sita Rinpoche, from his great compassion for us, will be giving us this morning the empowerment of Maitreya. Moreover, he will also be giving us something that he has not given to anyone that he has not given frequently for many years, the Red Crown ceremony. And so before the Red Crown ceremony, we will have an explanation of the history and the benefits of seeing the Red Crown that liberates upon seeing. This will be given in Tibetan and English by Kyabje Mingyur Rinpoche and Kyabje Galten Rinpoche.
The Crown that Liberates Upon Seeing, written by Jamgon Kongtul Loduthae. Om Swasti. The benefits of seeing the precious red crown that liberates upon seeing will hereby be briefly explained for everyone gathered here on this auspicious occasion, for those endowed with great devotion and virtue, and especially for the generous benefactors. It is said in the Udana Varga, the wise in this world hold fast to devotion and wisdom, as these are the greatest treasures. They cast aside all other riches. Therefore, in order to strengthen your devotion, which is supreme among all riches and which arise due to hearing about precious qualities, and to gain wisdom which emerges due to understanding the truth, a brief discourse will be presented here. Generally, all Buddhas are skilled in means and endowed with great compassion. Therefore, from within an unconditioned Dharmadhatu, they assume the form of Sambhogakaya. Through different Sambhogakaya manifestations, such as various forms, Buddha realms, ornaments, enjoyments, thrones, and appearances, the Buddhas benefit countless beings. Moreover, in the impure realms, they manifest as created, incarnated, and supreme aspects of Nirmanakaya, in accordance with physical, verbal, and mental dispositions of beings. The Buddhas appear as physical manifestations, verbal expressions, and mental realizations, as well as displays of Buddha qualities and activities, in order to establish beings on the path to higher realms and liberation. Furthermore, The extent of space is limitless, and sentient beings are countless. For all those countless beings, upon each atom appear as many realms as there are atoms. And within those realms, Buddhas manifest various means of teaching. In some realms, they manifest in the form of Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, hearers, and solitary realizers, while in others, they manifest in only one form of those aspects, and they teach the Dharma through speech or symbols. In other realms, Buddhas appear as rishis, Brahmins, Brahma, or Chakravartins, and teach the beings through those manifestations. In some realms, they tame beings through radiating light rays. In others, through opening and closing lotus flowers or through burning incense. These and infinite other accounts are taught in the sutras. This can be illustrated by the example of the Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara's enlightened activities. In each pore of his body, there are infinite Buddha realms of different shapes, sizes, and arrays. Similarly, Avalokiteshvara manifests in boundless forms. In the realm of Rakshasi demonesses, he manifested as the horse king Balaha, and in the midst of earthworms. He appeared as the king of bees to teach beings through their own means of communications. Thus, it is taught that Avalokiteshvara manifested countless emanations to teach beings. In India, Buddhas appeared as accomplished siddhas with miraculous powers, who sang Vajra songs of realization and liberated countless beings through various manifestations of their realization. In Tibet, they appeared as the three great Dharma kings, their queens, princesses, ministers, and other incarnated Nirmanakaya forms. Cho Shakyamuni and other created Nirmanakaya forms, as well as past and present Panditas, Siddhas, and spiritual masters of all traditions. In these forms, they have been performing vast benefit for the teachings and beings. The origin of the special tradition of benefiting of beings through wearing crowns was taught by the great master Padmasambhava of Udayana, the second Buddha, who proclaimed the infinite benefits for both those who wear the lotus crown, the crown of the three families, the crown of the five Buddha families, and other crowns, and those who see them. The peerless Gambopa, who was prophesied by the Buddha, similarly described the immense benefits of the three hats that benefit the Dharma, in particular, the meditation hat. These traditions are being practiced by both Kagyu and Nyingma schools. Most importantly, one of the principal enlightened activities of the successive incarnations of the glorious Avalokiteshvara Karmapa, who liberates beings through seeing, hearing, remembering, or touching, is their black crown that liberates upon seeing. When the Rishi Kumpake, who an emanation of Avalokiteshvara, attained the Vajra-like Samadhi, the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas bestowed upon his head a Vajra crown, woven of the hair of 1,000,000 wisdom dakinis as a symbol of empowerment. This is the origin of the black crown. The Rishi Kumbhake incarnations, such as the Bodhisattva Ratnamati, the Mahasiddha Saraha, the glorious first Kamapa Tusumchemba, and all his rebirths, wear this Vajra crown on their head at all times. However, only a few fortunate disciples were able to see it. After perceiving a black crown on the fifth Karmapa, Tenzin Sherpa's head, the Yongle Emperor of the Ming dynasty, who was an emanation of Manjushri, sought the Karmapa's permission to make a replica of what he had seen. Tenzin Sherpa consented, and the emperor offered the world-renowned black crown that liberates upon seeing to the fifth Karmapa, who blessed it to become inseparable from the naturally appearing wisdom crown and made it visible to all supreme and ordinary beings. Later, the fifth Shamarpa said, as the interdependent connection between a genuine teacher and a genuine disciple becomes excellent, their realized minds become one. The Karmapa and his disciples are indifferentiable. In pure realms, the Karmapas and their spiritual sons appear as Amitabha, Avalokiteshvara, Maitreya, Vajrapani, and other Buddhas indistinguishable from their retinues. In India and Tibet, wherever the Karmapas were born, the incarnations of his heart disciples also appeared and served the Karmapas through the three ways of pleasing the Guru, until their minds became inseparable from the Guru's enlightened mind. To symbolize this inseparability, various Karmapas bestowed red crowns that liberate upon seeing upon past incarnations of the Shamarpa, Thaisitupa, and Jalsapa, and empowered them as embodiment of enlightened activities of the Jawang Karmapas. The equal shape of the black and red crowns symbolizes that there is no difference in the realization and qualities of the spiritual father and sons. The different color and slight differences in the designs symbolize their different skillful means and activities. However, there is no difference whatsoever in the benefits of these crowns endowed with the four methods of liberation. Particularly when the omniscient Thaisitupa appears in the Tushita heaven as the great regent Maitreya, the top knot of on his head is adorned with a stupa. Just seeing or remembering Maitreya's head adornment brings the benefit of purifying the two obscurations and attaining the samadhi known as the illumination of great loving kindness. When the Thaisitupa manifests in the form of Guru Padmakara in the palace of lotus light, he continually wears the lotus crown that subjugates all that appears and exists, which symbolizes the Lord of his Buddha family, Amitabha. And he effortlessly bestows the blessings of the Vajra wisdom through the four empowerments. When the Thaisitupas act as the Lord of the precious teachings of the practice lineage in Tibet, these crowns transform into the red crown, and through this crown, they perform vast enlightened activities through the four liberations. Just as when Chakravartin kings possess a 1,000-spoked golden wheel, they have the power to rule the four continents. So it is that when the spiritual fathers and sons don the precious crown that brings liberation upon seeing, anyone who sees them obtains incredible blessings. The Mahasiddha Karmapakshi said, "Whoever sees the crown and the wearer together will not fall into the lower realms." Bestowing empowerments and teachings continue one aspect of benefiting sentient beings. Such activities lead beings with unimpaired faculties, interests, pure samaya, and devotion from one happiness to the next. However, those who lack faith, break their samaya, or hold wrong views will create cause for falling into the lower realms. Therefore, such activities can lead to developing both positive and negative qualities. The benefit of seeing the precious crown that brings liberation upon seeing is such that regardless of whether one's faculties are complete or impaired, one's samaya is pure or broken, one is male or female, old or young, anyone who sees it will plant the seed of liberation within themselves. Whoever hears about the crown will establish a virtuous karmic imprint in their mind. Whoever remembers it with devotion will receive enormous blessings. Whoever makes offerings to the crown, offers prostrations or heartfelt supplications, circumambulates it, or tosses even a single flower towards it, will accumulate an enormous amount of merit. Even those who hold wrong views towards the crown will be led on the path to liberation. Shantideva said, "I take refuge in that source of joy, who brings to happiness even those who harm them." Similarly, just like praying to a wish-fulfilling jewel for the fulfillment of all temporary and ultimate aims, the wishes for this life, the pardo, and future lives of all those who behold the crown with one-pointed devotion and prayer and pray to it will be spontaneously fulfilled in accordance with their predispositions. Therefore, all of you should keep this in mind. You should not waste the precious human life you have attained this time and the opportunity to see the precious crown that brings liberation upon seeing. In order to increase the accumulations of merit and wisdom, you should perform generosity in accordance with your capacity. Sarva Mangalam.
知道早见将来，上家把的大内家在接大给家在接边。三来见着来边见三见着白高三见见三见将来上家把的大的家在见大给家在见着来边见三见着白高三界界道道界教来小家吧，阿里家在界大界界在界别在来界着来别，三界着白高也三界当界的我，地位就到天不来。东爱东东爱接就东找爱就接东爱没，天爱东北东没找爱就接你来，你东找也东家见不来，你不就爱接三接当接天爱。Devi Jodha Dembara Joji Dongha Do Dongha Ji Jodha Dongha Bebe Lewa Dongha Do Mejawa Joji Niraj Nido Javi Dongha Jimbola Niba Joji Semji Damji Dewa Devi Jodha Dembara Joji Dongha Do Tawara Joji Dongha Bebe Dewa Dongha Do Mejawa Nire Jalo Lido Javi Dongha Jimbo Neba Joji Tamji Tayo Saye Sema la so me ba to la de ta nya ben ra ye jang bo ne jra je ma le sen ku je ka jra je de de pa ja me se ja de me la ma le je je khor je ne de ye zo zo jam de ne jam bo Naja Sala Karbadi Tandini Dale Yozo Zoy Tozo Kanda Nyamba Mema Laji Kisrai Jidege Yombiam Jide Awani Yozo Zoy Jida Tamba Tsamjene Lana Jine Jizo Aye jane taba ye teged Kudrezo sanja yamba la ye ke meja da ye kanye Meje de dambo La yo la ye godoi goi tele ye yo jabe zo rombo yon Ye de zenje donga zeze Tena soza le jai ji ni soda jai ji Teza jiba me senge ge dage male teda tangi Teda ngaye tangi saji wa samba shebe mala toda Yawa tamji yiji ngaza da yingi danyi lira toba Yawa kula rabdu janza lo ye te lo danyi sanji Sanji seji wana yubo da te taraji 万东西教外大吉公外灭地大我把灭界将多也界也来将多这个界教外跟界样的拉就地外一波当界大吉多灭多当波这我当波多十年能多就别的手你就多的别当波要不得到那里就把一那个当波能这就在前面不嘛这来你可把这别把别这个也叫我得到那样就把就把光了那边就接我得到叫我到接了哟。三百就来这边到达也叫我，万金的家也到他妈我给你留到个到的也，你把他给金把金节把的到也到给做做。小姐叫我看到上街在上家能到老到没来端着我跟街上那看那有跌到跟街上的也来看那小姐今天这上街买家也跟我跌到的给当街了可乐了那没把过我yang de da kong ye de da la ro wa ko la be ye de ve kar wa ye ge da ye yo ba ya da ge ta mo ra ja so cha so lo je je ga ba lo ji so ye ra ga shi so wa ye wa jang de da ge ji唐杰大给将叫见我呀，我别做了啥多啥，我的巴拉呀别做了啥多的，老白的山这着灭吧，十八个呀灭吧，我十八家呀灭吧，我的拉多灭吧。Sarva Siddhi Me Saraya Sarva Kama Sasa Me Chitam Hireya Kura Ho Ha 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 Hoi Bhagave Sava Tadai Me Sarama Me Me Sarama Ma Samaya Sadhu Vai Me Sarabha Me ye nam ba o je de je so ye o be za de ge o je ja re go yo ge la re yo zo ke zo re ja bo re o jo ra cha le ba bo lo do be le no ba lo cha de be ye le do le ba ngaya do ngaya ye de do la jo do zha be ni da ren bo ji de wo ya bo sa ye ge do ja ya ma be ba ye lo do ko lo ren bo ji no bo ren bo ji so bo ren bo ji lan bo ren bo Long boy and boy, yeah, don't you and boy, yeah, my boy and boy, yeah, the champion bomba. You are my, love, my, God, my, middle, my, the my, no, my, teacher, my, yeah, my, boy and boy, yeah, do, surely, no, boy, Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ Để không bỏ lỡ Samaya me Vara Lama Yeda Sonje Shonjo Samba Bawa Kando Jijo Sola Jeba Lala Bawa Je Toje Jove Dodo Jesus Kene Sije Lado So Saye Peje Joge Medo Ra Lenge Jede Jema De Sonje Kendo Mede Bawa Toge Namdai Cheba Joje De Zoi Yoba Ye Sonje Shangja Samba Lama Doje Lobo Do Yedo Lazo Kodo Tizo Teye Malila Lenge Jara Jeba Lenge Jewa Traja Da Jewa Jeta Demena Jeta Mele Komo Lala Boy Tuje Sego Jezo Shine Jinje Lado Zowa Me Jala Bo Samek Samedra Savarina Samaye Nije Medra Sambo Denver Chaja Lala Baje Mejarai Teza Deye Gomba Doba Seba Medai Jeva Mene Nagai Nyambe Doa Doa Ishoi Dagi Keve Leman Deda Jiden Dene Nyodo Sonjarai Yon Chola Meje Jena Danje Sanje Tonga Mombo Sele Choi Jansa Don Shuje Yaba Don Shiza Yera Kushi So Giva Jamse Dagi Shiza Pa Tanje Dagi Sonja Shengo Ame avoy beza Pemasedewa Ame Ahoy Bezarangura 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 Pemasedewa Ame Ahoy Salo 业马着小家门家空气着急的撒野没着你些七八当七八的老子他妈说空气就是那这人大大你的是真的娘家见没到妹妹着大大原来讲叫三家人不见我给见的那些上阵着偏最上边三到点的不要大约的些把这就从前的把大街有那个早上的我世界的别动空的给我早光是到大家老说那把个位的说到面边这我这就一天的个老来当着那被些去个我的脸不算做不到一老的把公主这些结我当年当街当谁说老说俺家了没报道你这些老妈那个的把的老没能不老那把的老没能不到我这些早要老大没这个亲自里边同我每个的老没吃了就把就给我更多样的老妈的这没去的把了龙学撒到了这样的让做的多些相见恐怖流动